So this beautiful morning, we are going to have pap, and I mean fortified pap. Pap is a stable food or a stable breakfast in most Nigerian homes, and it is very easy to give to your little one. In fact, it is one of the easiest food that you can introduce to your little ones once they start solid. Now, this is the way I make my own pap. A lot of people in the past have attacked me for making it this way, but yeah, you can make it whichever way is comfortable for you. Now, once our pap is made, just look at this slicky pap. Oh shit. Now, once our pap is made, how are we going to fortify it? We add peanut butter. Now, peanut butter is rich in amazing nutrients. It is rich in protein and, of course, good fat. So our little one is getting flaxseed as well, which is rich in omega-3. Now, your little one is getting this amazing nutrient from our pap. Not just taking pap alone, but they are having so much to get. Now, I added date syrup because that is the only sweetener I recommend for your little one from 6 months of age. Now, Mama was so hungry and she wanted to eat, and she was like, "Give me that food. Give me that food. I want to eat it. I want to eat it. Give me that food." And she totally enjoyed it. But as always, she got tired at some point. And this was where she got tired. She was like, "I'm not having any more again. I'm not." And this was what we left behind. Hope you enjoyed this video.